Omega-3, the building blocks for a healthy life. Omega-3 fatty acids serve as the building blocks of every cell in our body, supporting heart, brain, and vision health, as well as joint flexibility and mobility. However, omega-3s are not produced by our body. To obtain what your body requires, the National Health Service, NHS, recommends consuming 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Experience the Good Vitamin Company's 1000 mg omega-3 softgels, delivering 180 mg EPA and 120 mg DHA in a balanced 1.5:1 ratio. EPA and DHA contribute to the normal function of the heart and maintenance of joints, neurological function, and cognition, without any fishy taste or odor. Catch the best omega-3 for your health. Shop now on our website.